Ever found yourself scratching your head, wondering exactly how to get your files smoothly flowing into or out of Zapier? Today, we're tackling the mystery of uploading files with Zapier, focusing on a common scenario triggering a zap when a new file appears in Google Drive, and then pushing that file elsewhere. First, ensure your trigger is properly set up. In our case, we are using Google Drive. Select the correct Google Drive account. Specify the specific folder you want to monitor for new file uploads. Next, select the app where you want to upload or interact with the file. This depends entirely on your workflow. Some popular options include saving the file to Dropbox or adding it to a new document in Google Docs. Configure the action step, paying close attention to the file field. This is the most crucial step. Here, you'll map the file data from your trigger step, the Google Drive new file, to this field. Select your data field from the dropdown. You also need to specify the destination folder and file name. Once you have mapped the file data and all other necessary fields, double-check your settings, and then turn your Zap on. Now, every time a new file lands in your Google Drive folder, Zapier will automatically upload it to your chosen destination.